AMG just admitted what we all kinda knew. The four-cylinder plug-in hybrid C63? Yeah, that was a mistake. And now Mercedes is ready to walk it back. But what's replacing it? A six-cylinder? A brand new V8? Let's break it all down. Back in 2022, AMG shocked the car world by ditching the C63's legendary twin-turbo V8 and replacing it with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder hybrid. On paper, it looked incredible. 671 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and tech straight out of Formula One. But in reality, it was heavy, numb, and lacked the raw character that made the C63 special in the first place. A lot of people said it felt like a science project, and despite all that power, it just wasn't fun. The move to a four-cylinder PHEV was all about emissions, regulations, and marketing hybrid tech. AMG thought a lighter engine with electric boost would appeal to both regulators and a new breed of buyer. But it turns out C63 buyers want a muscle sedan, not a math equation. And dealers apparently struggled to move units, even with big spec sheets and launch hype. Now, an insider at AMG has confirmed to Autocar that the four-cylinder hybrid is on its way out. What's replacing it? One of two things. Option 1. The 3.0-liter inline-six hybrid from the E53, a smoother, more traditional setup. Option 2. A brand new flat-plane crank V8 that AMG is still developing, but that's likely years away. The six-cylinder could show up in the C63 as early as next year, but the V8 won't land until much later. Maybe not until 2028 or beyond. Pretty much, yeah. The exec reportedly called it a dead end. And it's not just about customer feedback. Reworking that four-cylinder hybrid to meet Euro 7 emissions would be way too expensive. So AMG's cutting its losses. This also affects the C43, SL43, and even the Lotus Emira, which borrowed the same AMG engine. Those cars now need new heartbeats too. If you bought the current C63, you're kinda stuck with a one-generation experiment. And yeah, resale values might take a hit as buyers shift their attention to the next engine swap. But hey, maybe in a decade it'll be considered a rare collector's item. Or a cautionary tale. The C63 used to be the BMW M3's worst nightmare. But since going hybrid, it's lost some of that punch. A return to a six-cylinder setup, or eventually a flat-plane V8, could bring back the soul this car needs. Power isn't everything. Feel matters. And it sounds like AMG finally remembered that. So, is the future of AMG brighter now that they've admitted the four-cylinder flop? Will the C63 reclaim its performance crown? And how long are we going to wait for that new V8?